to increase your chances of success in the Maryland Masters Electrical exam, start studying early. The Maryland Masters is a comprehensive exam, so it's important to allocate ample time for preparation. Employ a variety of study materials. Consider using resources such as practice tests, online courses, and study groups, in addition to study guides. Focus on identifying your strengths and weaknesses. Determine the areas where you need improvement and dedicate extra time to studying those specific topics. Practice extensively by taking practice tests. The more practice tests you complete, the more familiar you will become with the exam format and content. Ensure you get a good night's sleep before the exam. Adequate rest will help you maintain focus and perform at your best. If you encounter a question you don't know the answer to, don't hesitate to guess. You have a reasonable chance of getting it correct, and every point contributes to your overall score. Maintain a positive attitude. The Maryland Masters is a challenging exam, but passing is achievable. Stay focused, work diligently, and believe in your abilities. Some commonly used study guides are popular for the Maryland Masters. They contain a comprehensive overview of the exam content along with practice questions and answers. However, it's important to be aware of the rules regarding permitted materials. You will need to rely on your knowledge and comprehension of the material to pass the exam. Success hinges on dedicated preparation and a confident approach.